Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy A50 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the mid frame by undoing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. And also make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back car frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out both LCD and main flex cables from the body. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, loosen both antennas from the body and then gently pull out the logic board. Next, apply heat and take out the earpiece and vibrator motor from the body. Next, move to the bottom and undo 2 screws to loosen the Touch ID camera, and then gently lift the charging port board from the body. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame and buttons. For the replacement, there are few different screen types are available in the market. The most common is original service pack screen, which comes with the frame and buttons. There is another type, it is original but without the frame, but the repair job is a bit difficult and time consuming. Also, there are refurbished, used, aftermarket screens with the frame and without. Furthermore, the price difference between the frame and without is not that big. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame and button installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket, and this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the charging port board in the body, and then secure 2 screws on the Touch ID camera. Next, place the vibrator motor in the body. Next, place the earpiece. Next, place the logic board in the body. Next, secure both antennas to the body and secondary board. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the main flex and LCD flex by connecting from both ends. Next, secure the battery plug and place the mid-frame in the body by securing 13 screws. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws, and also insert the SIM tray. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering up the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A50 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.